body and everything. Right?
Come on! Oh my gosh, it's a refrigerator! Oh my gosh! Jalen, move! Touch on the end of the camera. Where do you guys put the video camera? Like you send it to somebody? Like put it on the internet?
Yeah, I put it on YouTube.